Well, good afternoon, Heavy Duty Motorcycles. Thought you might be interested in this customer's bike we've just had in the workshop. It's a Milwaukee 8 Road Glide. As you can see, it's had one or two mods done on it in the past. These two brothers 2-in-1 exhausts, which give it a very distinctive sound, which you'll see has also got these higher panniers fitted so that you don't end up with the gaps that you would if you converted the 2-in-2 into a 2-in-1. It's got a nice S&S air filter, nice carbon front fender there, but it's been in previously. It's just had the air filter, these exhausts, and then it's had a power vision, but it's just been into us for an S&S Cam Chest Kit, which has been fitted, and now it's off to the dyno, and we're going to look forward to see what the increase in horsepower is going to be now that this work has been done. Let's just start it up for you. Okay, well, it's off down to the dyno and to Russ at Talk Tune, and maybe I'll post some results of how it got on later. Alright, Heavy Duty Motorcycles, Mansfield, thanks for watching, bye bye.